Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Around the World with Fun Facts. I'm Liam from the UK, and joining me is my amazing co-host...
Hi everyone, I'm Sophia from Brazil. In today's episode, we're sharing some crazy, funny, and surprising travel facts from different countries. If you love traveling or just want to sound super smart at a party, stay tuned.
That's right, and before we start, remember to download our free English practice guide in the description, where you'll find the full transcript, vocabulary, and exercises to help you practice. Alright, let's get started.
Okay, let's kick things off with Japan. Did you know that in Japan, trains apologize when they are just a few seconds late?
What? Seconds? In my country, if a train is only 5 minutes late, that's considered on time.
Exactly! In Japan, if a train is 20 seconds late, the railway company issues an official apology. They are super punctual.
I'd love to see that happen in London. Imagine we could listen. We sincerely apologize for being 20 seconds late. Yeah, right. Here's one for you, Sophia. Did you know that there are only 2 countries in the world where you can't buy Coca-Cola?
Really? That sounds impossible. Which countries?
North Korea and Cuba. Because of US trade restrictions, you won't find Coke there. So if you're addicted to Coca-Cola, maybe don't plan a trip to Pyongyang.
Wow, that's so interesting. But I guess they have their own drinks, right?
Yep, but nothing beats an ice-cold Coke on a hot day.
Alright, here's another fun one. Did you know that there's a town with the most confusing border in the world?
Oh no, where is it?
It's called Barl, and it's between Belgium and the Netherlands. The border runs right through the middle of houses, cafes, and even bathrooms.
So you could be sitting in your kitchen in Belgium and eating dinner in the Netherlands.
Exactly. And some restaurants even move their tables depending on tax rates. Crazy, right?
Yeah, crazy. And that's all for today. We hope you had fun and learned something new. Let us know in the comments which facts surprised you the most.
And don't forget to download the free English practice guide with the transcript, vocabulary, and exercises. The link is in the description.
See you next time, guys. Happy travels.
Bye, everyone!